Very good. See, Jing Feng got study one. Can you highlight the word show, highlight the word real roots, and then write a side note? You need to show b squared minus 4ac is more than or equal to 0. The first step correctly. You have to make it into ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Yeah, Jing Feng is very fast. He's 3 steps ahead of. Okay. The answer is I must have something k. And this inside the bracket got 2 things inside. Huh? Wrong. So everyone wrong. So can we do again? This is just kx plus oh, I wrong. He is correct. He's correct. Yeah, today not my day. Today not my day. Yeah. Everyone's so upset with the Emacs paper. Kx, right? You say Kx, right? So he is correct. He's correct. I'm sorry. So there's a Kx here, but C is what? Minus 4 plus 2k. If I were you, I will put down 2k minus 4 with a bracket. So very clearly, I have A, I have B, I have C. I'm sorry. The 2k cannot go to a kx. You made a mistake I want to make. I want to combine the k and the kx together, but cannot because different family. This is k, this is x family. This is the no x family. I repeat. Get it? I also made the same mistake. That's why I want to correct him. I want to factorize the k out, but I cannot because this is kx, got an x. This one is no x. So it belongs to the C. Understand what I say? Isabel? Can understand? Okay. Now I want to start. Start with what? B squared minus 4ac? Equal. Because it's a show question. So how do I start? B squared minus 4ac is equal to k squared minus 4. Huh? Apa ini? What is A? 1. Don't write also can. Then this one? 2k minus 4. Or minus k plus 2k. Equal. Now this one is different from just now the question. Just now the question somehow all number. But this question got some alphabet here. So what do you do? Expand. Can you expand now? Minus? Jing Feng? Wrong. Okay, zoom in here. Highlight what you want in the end. So highlight I want b squared minus 4ac more than or equal to 0. Highlight this and ask yourself, is this always more than 0? Yes. Answer is wrong. No. Answer is wrong. The answer is maybe. The answer is, can you write down? I don't know. Now, I don't know because of one real reason, so not joke. So before you laugh, I don't know because if I cover everything, k squared. Is k squared always positive? Yes. I give example, Ken. 10 squared, what's the answer? 100. Negative 10 squared? 100. So I don't care whether is it positive or negative. K square itself is always positive. Do you agree? Do you agree? Yes. What about minus 8k? Cannot already. Because if k is positive, if k is 100, minus 8 times 100 will be negative. If k is negative, minus 100. Minus 100 times negative 8 will be positive. So I got a situation where I'm not very sure. Do you understand? Plus 16, no use. Because the 16 here is a positive number, but doesn't mean everything is positive. Do you follow my story? Therefore, what is the next step? C word. C word. C word. Cannot solve. Well done. C, T, S. Very good. You need to do complete the square. Oh, sorry, my handwriting. Can you write down? Can you write down? Complete the square. Later on, I will show you why complete the square will tell you whether is it positive or negative. Oh, very troublesome, huh? Why like that need to do complete the square? Now start. Complete the square also happen to be one of the topic today, right? Easy. Heart pain. Jing Feng, first step is to write down k square minus 2 bracket. Then you leave a blank here, then you plus 16. I'm going through the common test now. So 8k, if I split, it will be 2 times k times 4. I know I have to add something square minus something square. Is this okay? Where does the plus 16 come from? The question, I just copy it down. Next step, complete the square. You have to group 3 things together and form 2 things. Who are the 3 things? 1 thing, 2 things, 3 things. These are the 3 things, and after I combine, it will be just something squared. Can you complete? K minus 4. Very good. Wow, got hook. Can you press your calculator now and tell me the number behind? 0. Very good. No need. I write plus 0 because I want to show you there's something there. It happened to be 0, but don't need to write also can. Now, can you tell me? Don't understand what? Also can. Now, why do I use complete the square? Because complete the square is a foolproof method. What Jia Xuan say is, sure, this one is extra. You can just factorize. Factorize, you also get this. Do you know? You do cross method, you also get this. Do you know? I try, Do you, mod 3 no good, Mod 3 you are trying to tell me. Yes. Do you know you can do cross method? But do you know cross method sometimes don't work because not everything can be cross methodable. Do you know that you do this, you also will get this? You have to do what? Also can. Half the coefficient of b, right? Yeah, you can listen to tuition cher. As long as you can produce this, I'm okay. Okay? So at this time, now, factorize using the cross method. K square I copy, plus 16 I copy, minus 8k I copy. I split the number into minus 4, I will get minus 8. Therefore, the answer is k minus 4 whole thing squared. Is that okay? Can, Now, can I summarize? Can I complete Question ready? Listen. Do I know the rate statement? Is it always positive or negative? Answer is I don't know. Why? Because there's a minus 8k, there is a plus 16 behind. But look at this. Is this always positive or negative? Positive. Do you know why? So there's a square. Whatever square inside will be always positive. Let's try. Negative 9 square, positive. 9 square, positive. Negative 4.12 square, positive. Do you understand why square is always positive? Yes? Okay. So how do you conclude? Cannot write is positive. Write down. Since k minus 4 square is always positive or can be equal to 0. Can it be equal to 0? Can. When k equals to 4. 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 square is 0. So when k equals to 4 also equals to 0. But otherwise it will be always more than 0. Agree? Disagree? Now what can you make a comment about b square minus 4ac? Very good. I don't know how much is k, but I challenge you. Whatever k is, it will be always more than 0. You give me one number that I square it is less than 0, I give you money. Negative 0.3 minus 4 is negative 4.3. Negative 4.3 square is still positive. You give me one number that this will be negative, I give you money. Even if it's not a number, hey. Infinite minus 4 is infinite. Infinite square is still positive. Happy now? So whatever number this is, it's always more than 0. Therefore, this is always more than 0. And what can you say? Hence, no. Copy the question. Can I show you a way to play cheat? This has real root. Sachin is always very excited about something. I didn't say anything, then suddenly everything come up. Therefore, this has real root for all real values of k. Do you know I copied this sentence? Do you know I copied this sentence? And this is how you should do for all proving questions. You found something, then you copy back the question. I repeat. You found something, then you copy back the question. So this has real root for all real value of x. This has real root for all real value of k. I copy. Can I start the video here? Now, the rest of the lesson will be